Okay, today we're talking about writing systems of equations. We're taking one situation that's going on, and we're going to take two equations from that and write them out. For right now, we're not going to worry about solving these. We're just going to worry about setting them up. Now, numbers 1, 3, and 5 all have what we call cost equations, where you put everything that has a dollar sign into one single equation, and then they're going to have a total equation, where we're going to say what the total number of things that were sold and split it into the two categories. Add those categories together, get the total. Those are the easier types. So we're going to focus on the ones that are a little bit harder off of this paper that you had. On number 2, Angola High School sold 3 times as many children's tickets as adult tickets for the school play. The total amount collected was $357.50. Children's tickets cost $1.50 each, and adult tickets cost $2 each. Determine the number of children and adult tickets sold. Again, we're not going to do this last part. We're not going to determine. So for number 2, we're putting the equations together. We have a cost equation again. They made a total of $357.50. When we put this by category, we can go with the cost of each individual one. The children's tickets were $1.50. So we can take $1.50 times the number of children's tickets and get how much money we made from those, and add to that the adult tickets were $2, so A for adult tickets, and it's $2 times the number of adult tickets will give us the amount of money we made from that. We don't know the amount for each, but we know the total amount of money was $357.50. That's just like our normal cost equations. The other thing we have, though, is they sold 3 times as many children's tickets as adult tickets. In other words, for every 1 adult ticket they sold 3 children's tickets. We can't just add 2 to the adults, because if we sold 2 adult tickets, we sold another 3 children's tickets. So in order to get them equal, so that we can have another equation, we're going to take 3 times the adult tickets, and that will give us the number of children's tickets. Since they sold 3 times as many children's tickets as adult, if we take 3 times the adult, we get the amount of children's tickets. Number 4 actually gives us a shape to work with. It says the width of Marcia's patio is 5 feet less than 3 times the length. The perimeter is 75 feet. Find the dimensions of Marcia's patio. Whenever you have a shape, always draw the shape. We know the width is bigger, so we're going to draw this patio coming off the back of her house. This is the width, this is also a width, this is a length, and this is a length. We know that the opposite sides are equal because it says it's a rectangle. Now, the width is 5 less than 3 times the length. To write that, when it says width is, that means W equals. Anytime you see the word is in math, that means you're going to put an equal sign. So the width is. 5 less than means we're going to subtract 5 from what we have. That's how we get 5 less. And then 3 times the length. We don't know the length, but it's just going to be represented by L, 3 times the length. Now it tells us the perimeter is 75. Perimeter means we're adding together all the sides. We have 2 lengths, so we're going to condense that. 2 times the length, plus we have 2 widths, so we're going to condense that as well. 2 times the width is equal to our total distance all the way around it. The perimeter is 75 feet. This should get you a good ways done with these types of problems.